Today, students, we are going to learn to solve a very common problem in Scilab. The problem is that when you start your Scilab on your desktop, just by double clicking its icon, so many times happens that you get this console. Now, where you will write your codes, you will not write your codes here because this is actually console, and on this bar you will see that this is console, and on the console you will not write anything. You will write on editor, and how you will get the editor? Just press this new button and you will get this. So this is this is the problem that you see, that whenever you start the new window, editor window, where you have to write, you get this window is separate from the console window. So you can see that here console is written, and you are getting this your editor window and the separate things. So it becomes very inconvenient. So how to solve this problem? What you have to do this, you are seeing this black bar in your window, you will see it actually in blue bar. The design will be, the color will be different there, but here on Linux it is showing you black bar. So this black or blue bar, what you need to do is that you just hold it with your mouse, left click it and hold the mouse and then drag the mouse like this. So you will see this way. I'm showing this again to you so that it is clear to you more. So you hold this and drag it to this window. So you will see many configurations like this. So it is showing you this way, this thing. Now at this point, if you will leave your mouse, the window will set like this. Okay. Or now suppose you want to set it in the upward portion. What you will do this? You again you do the same thing. This bar. You hold and then drag it to this. So you will see that it will set it this way, and you bring it upward, you will see this is the outline. If you will leave your mouse here at this time, you will see that it will set on this. So this thing you need to do, or you can learn this. So both the windows you can see that have come in the same frame. So this is your console. So learn the names of these windows. This is your console and this is your editor. Here you will write your programs. For example, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10, add them, sum is equal to A plus B. Add them now, run this program. How you will run this program? Just press Ctrl L. And you will not run your program. Many times students do that, they bring the cursor here, then here if you will press this Ctrl L, it will not do the thing. Always come to the editor window where you have written the code. You can see that if you will click here, this becomes dark. If you click here, this becomes dark. So you need to be on this window. Now you can run the program. Ctrl L, or you can use this button also, this. Actually it is saying that to save the thing, and also from execute also you can do this. So there are many options to run the program. Ctrl L is the shortcut key. Okay. Now suppose you want to open your already written program, so you will go to this open dialog box, or in file also you can go to open. Both the ways you can reach to open window. It will open you the dialog box, and then you can go to open the programs. It will open the program like this. It is opened. And now suppose you have done all the work. Now you want to quit the program. What you will do? You will not do like this, that you are on the editor window and you go to file and then close. You will not do it this way. You will do it this way, that you come to the console first, and then you come to this quit option. You can see the difference here. When you are here, and it is something else is there, and here also something else is there. So first come to the console window and then quit. You don't have to save. We don't have to save. So now the next time, suppose if you will open your Scilab, what will happen? What will happen that your Scilab will open this way, whatever in whatever layout you had left it with, will not change the layout. So the point is that whenever you want to quit, you come to this window, then you go to this. So okay, these are the things that you need to learn.